Okay guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. Working on the Mustang here on Sunday. I was able to get my headers in. This is the passenger side right here. You can see it goes all the way back. Got really good clearance on this shock tower here. It's a little bit close, but I think it should be okay. If need be, I can pull it off and put a little dimple in it. Got the driver's side over here, which was a little bit more of a freaking pain in the butt, needless to say. I did have to put a fairly large dimple in right here, but to clear the shock tower, I really had no other choice. I also put another little dimple right here where the upper control arm comes out, and then I put a little dimple like right here. I might have to re-dimple that. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of clearance there, but once we get it started, we'll see if I need to. I'll pull them off and I will, dimple what need be. So this was pretty much an all-day project. I test fitted these, put the dimples in them, and then I put 2 light coats of ceramic high temperature paint on it, and then 1 heavy coat. But I got them in, and it took quite a while to do. Over here, another problem I'm having with my e-brake is this is some of the new stuff I have. This is where the front cable goes into the handle. This is the spring that goes onto the actual frame, and then this is what screws in, and it has the 2 cables that actually go back to the emergency brake. Well, it's got this little deal here with the transmission mount that I got. This keeps coming out of the groove and sliding back up into here. Now, I don't know how I'm really going to correct that. I might go ahead and grind out this area here, because I got the old one on the car now. I might grind this down here to give it more of a flat surface to stay into. So I'm going to do a little research on it. So the e-brake's been giving me just problems for the last 2 months off and on. I've been trying to working on it. I finally got the cable that's not binding today. Now I put the headers on and it looks like the headers are running right where the cable is. So with these projects, it's kind of like never ending. You fix one problem and then 2 more pop up. So but I just thought I'd give you guys a little update. Got the headers in, 1 step closer.